AI image generators used to be party tricks, flashy but unreliable. That ends today. Meet Google's Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 Flash image, the model built to turn AI from a toy into a tool. And here's the fun part. I'm going to show you what that actually looks like. From adding Starbucks signage to a building, to testing custom rims on a BMW, to transforming a basic product shot into a Sephora-ready ad, Nano Banana pulls it off. Stick around because these demos will blow your mind. For years, creators have voiced their frustrations. One Reddit user complained, specifying an art style doesn't consistently get reflected in the results. Another pointed out, AI doesn't know how to make objects properly interact. Lighting is always off, people just stare blankly. And others have called out pure randomness. Even with the same seed, you'll get totally different images. Precision is sacrificed for speed. Okay, so what does Nano Banana actually do that feels different from other AI image models? Let's walk through some of the best real-world demos that show off its power. First up, brand mockups. I gave Gemini Flash 2.5 a simple photo of a plain building and asked it to add a Starbucks sign. If you followed me before, you know I tried something similar using Flux context. But this time, Nano Banana nailed the proportions, matched the lighting, and integrated the signage seamlessly. When I tried this example with Flux, I had to give Flux both the image of the building and the Starbucks sign. With Gemini Flash, I just prompted and it knew what to do. Next up, we'll start with a clean photograph of a BMW sitting stationary. Then I'll add the image of the rims I want to buy. Let's visualize how this customization will look like. After a few prompts and nudges, Nano Banana matches perspective, lighting, and edge detail to make it look like the rims were always part of the car. That's practical visualization. No Photoshop, no guesswork, just AI editing. And here's the best part. Nano Banana isn't locked away in research labs or enterprise-only tools. It's already available in Promptus, where any user can try it out. That means you can generate images, remove backgrounds, upscale product shots, or test out edits using the very same Gemini Flash 2.5 model I just showed you. No special access required. Promptus connects directly to Google's Gemini, so whether you're a designer, small business owner, or just curious about AI art, you can start experimenting with Nano Banana right now. The next example you can try is product photography. I took this basic shot of my essential oil and in less than a minute turned it into a Sephora-worthy product mockup. Nano Banana isolated the bottle, cleaned the background, sharpened the resolution, and adjusted the lighting. I even tried a few vibes, from modern cherry luxe to ethereal packaging design. This is the kind of workflow that could save small brands hundreds in photography and retouching. And this is where Nano Banana really surprised me, because it's not just about flashy new edits, it's about preserving the past. I uploaded a faded photo of my grandma. One simple prompt, and the model cleaned away scratches, balanced the colors, and sharpened the details. The photo suddenly looked alive again. Then I tried an old group picture of my great-grandparents and their children. The kids had stained clothes, the photo was worn and folded. I asked Nano Banana to clean and update the image. And here's the amazing part. You can decide just how far you want to go. Do you want to keep the vintage feel, just removing scratches and folds? It can do that. Or do you want a vivid, modernized version with richer colors and restored fabrics? It can do that too. That's the power here, control. For the first time, restoration isn't limited to professionals with hours in Photoshop. It's as simple as describing what you want. And this is the bigger story. Nano Banana isn't just generating images for fun. It's making AI useful, whether that's product design, marketing mockups, or even bringing family history back to life. This is the moment where AI imaging grows up. I ran a simple test with a children's storybook character to see how well Nano Banana could keep the same identity across different scenes. Normally, with most AI models, you have to write very descriptive prompts. Things like hair color, outfit details, and facial features, just to keep the character consistent. But what stood out here is that even with no instructions at all about the character's appearance, Nano Banana still managed to maintain a strong resemblance. By the 5th generation, you can clearly see it's still the same character, just placed in a forest, in outer space, at school, under the ocean, and at a birthday party. It's not perfect, but it's a huge step forward for storytellers, comic artists, and anyone who needs consistency across multiple images. I also ran a similar test using Flux context, this time with a blue bird character. Interestingly, Flux was slightly better at maintaining consistency across scenes, but the difference is that Flux's characters tend to look more animated, almost cartoon-like. That probably makes it easier for Flux to keep things consistent, since stylized characters are less demanding than semi-realistic ones. These demos make it clear, Nano Banana isn't just generating pretty pictures, it's solving the exact pain points creators have been complaining about for years. From signage mockups to art style transformations to Sephora-ready product shots, this is where AI imaging finally feels useful. And the best part? You don't have to wait. Nano Banana, Google's Gemini Flash 2.5 image model, is already available inside Promptus. That means you can start today. Sign up for Promptus, try these exact prompts, and see for yourself how this model transforms your creative workflow. No Photoshop skills, no endless rerolls, just AI that actually works.